So while scrolling, I came across this ad. I was interested and I saw the button of chat with us on WhatsApp. So I clicked on this WhatsApp. It is asking me to choose the WhatsApp mobile application. I chose the same and I opened my WhatsApp. And I'm going to see it has already entered the message, hello, can I get more info on this? I don't have to do anything. I just have to click on this send button. So I did the same. I clicked on this send button. And once I click on this send button, you're going to see within seconds they replied me. I'd be happy to help. Could you please specify what information you need? So let's say I'm going to type my query over here. And yes, this is my query. I run a small team of 4. Which plan should I choose? So let's see that this chatbot will reply me within seconds or not. And you're going to see within seconds, it suggested me or recommended me the plan I should choose. I'm going to ask another question. Can I upgrade if my team grows? And once I'm going to send this question, again within seconds, it is going to answer me. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of system which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing system, or you can say amazing automation for your own business, then watch this tutorial till the end, and by the end of this video I bet you will definitely learn how to create this for your own business. So these WhatsApp ads are really in trend right now. So first let's understand what are these WhatsApp CTA ads. It is a Facebook or an Instagram ad that has a send message on WhatsApp button, so that whenever someone sees your ad and they click on that button, they directly start chatting with you or your business on WhatsApp. So yes, this is really in trend right now because this is a very good feature to connect with your leads directly on WhatsApp. So first of all, we're going to learn how to create this WhatsApp CTA ad. So first of all, make sure that you have a Facebook page on which you can run the ads, alright? And then you have to make sure that you connect your WhatsApp number on which you want to receive the messages to this Facebook page. You can go on this linked accounts and connect it from here also. Alright, now I'll suggest you, if you wish, you can definitely continue with the existing WhatsApp business number, but I'll suggest you start with a fresh one. It is really easy to connect if you start with a fresh WhatsApp number, and make sure it is a WhatsApp business number, like the business account should be there. Alright, next we're going to learn how to create these ads. So first of all, you have to open your Meta Ads Manager, and inside Meta Ads Manager you have to click on create and select the campaign objective as messages, because we want people to send messages on WhatsApp. Then set up your campaign name, budget and schedule in this new ad set. Now what is going to happen is, in ad set, select your target audience, choose your budget, duration, and under messaging apps, select WhatsApp. Here you will need to connect your WhatsApp business number like I have did. In this new ad set, you're going to get this option to connect your WhatsApp business number, but first make sure that you have connected it with your Facebook page like I have done over here. Once you connect this, your ad will automatically show a send message on WhatsApp button like I showed you right now. Now in this ad section, add the image, videos, or write catchy headlines like I have written in order to grab the attention, and then click on publish. That's it, your WhatsApp ad is live. Now once the ad is live, you will start receiving messages from people who click on this send on WhatsApp button. But here's a problem. Replying to every message manually can be time consuming, and especially when you're getting many leads, so it can be overwhelming too. That's where Pabbly Chatflow comes in, and it is going to help you. You can create chatbots that automatically greet users, understand their questions, and give instant replies. Yes, 24/7 even while you are sleeping. Whether someone is going to ask you about the pricing, course details, booking information, the bot answers everything automatically. And what you have to do is you just have to sit back and relax, and the bot is going to solve all the queries of your users. For that, I'm just going to show you how I created this WhatsApp chatbot like I showed you in the starting of this video, which is going to run automatically. For that, I am on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. How you can reach it? So you're going to get the Pabbly Chatflow's landing page URL in the description box below. go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. So grab your laptops and follow me everyone, because right now I'm going to show you something very helpful for your business. So simply open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, click on sign up for free, sign up inside Pabbly Chatflow and then come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, directly come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. After coming here, you have to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. You have to click on this add WhatsApp number button, which you're going to get over here. Once you click on this add WhatsApp number button, you're going to see two methods. So don't worry, a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check out that videos and add your WhatsApp number. It is really important that you add your WhatsApp number first over here. After adding this WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, you have to go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want a video about any another section in detail, it is attached in the description box below. Go check it out. Now let's go on this AI assistant feature. After coming over here, you have to click on this add AI assistant. Then you have to name your chatbot. So let's say I'm going to name it as AI chatbot and click on this add AI assistant. Once I click on this add AI assistant, we're going to learn how to create this AI assistant. So you have to select the instruction types according to your own choice. If you wish, you can definitely select it as custom prompt over here and give custom instructions. But we have some pre-built examples, so you can select any one from this also. I'm going to select sales agent because I want to convert my leads into clients, which are paying customers. So I've selected sales agent. The instructions are added automatically now. If you wish, you can definitely edit, like add or delete something. If you don't want, keep it as same, move on further. There's no need to do that. Alright, the next is this temperature. So over here you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused. But if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. The next is this AI to use. So over here you have to select Open AI. For the model, select any of your choice from below. I'm going to select GPT-4o Mini. Now it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, go to OpenAI API key page. In the hypertext, you're going to get the link. Now you come on this and click on this create new secret key. Enter your key name, select the project, click on this create secret key button and your key will be created. Simply copy this key and paste it in this API key section and click on this connect. Once you click on this connect, you're going to get this message. This means that you have successfully added the API key. Now the next is this assistant settings. So what you can do is you can add a header or a footer message. You can type the message over here and add the same. You can add maximum to 60 characters. The next is this stop keywords. So over here you can enter the keywords to stop the AI assistant. So let's say whenever user is going to type this keyword, the AI assistant is not going to reply to that user further. A manual review will be needed to assign that chat back again towards the AI assistant. So what you can do is you have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. Alright, the next is this retry attempts. So here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond, like there must be some issues with the API key or something like that, then you can automatically use this retry attempts. The next is fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you have to do is you can add your support email address over here in this message, so that if the API key is not running properly and the user has some emergency, they can contact you on Gmail. Now with this we have completed this instructions. Now let's move to this knowledge source. So what you can see that while I was asking the questions in the starting of this video, the AI assistant was replying so accurately, and that too according to my business. So you must be wondering how. So I have created a knowledge source unique to my business. How you can create this? You have to open a blank Google document and add the knowledge unique to your business in that Google document, like I have added. Make sure you add the correct knowledge, plans, pricing, the onboarding setup and the rest of the details which is according to your own business. Add it into a Google Doc, go in this file, download this in TXT or PDF format. Both are supported. So what is going to happen is once you upload this knowledge base in your AI assistant, it is only going to reply you according to this knowledge base only. So useful, right? So what you have to do is you have to download this in TXT or PDF format. I'm going to download this in TXT. I'm going to show you how we're going to upload this. this. It is very easy. You can see it is downloaded. Alright, so you have to go towards this choose a file. Now let's go towards this download section and upload it over here. So easy, right? I'll suggest you go for TXT format only because TXT is preferred. Because for PDFs we don't have any limit for text PDFs. But if you go for PDF that has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So upload your knowledge base, move on further towards this AI interface. Over here you can change the interface. What you can do is you can add this heading. So let's say I'm going to show you how to add this heading. You just have to enter your brand name or anything you wish to add as the heading over here. Alright, so I'm going to enter it and you're going to see it has changed over here too. Same goes for the subheading. If you wish, you can definitely edit this. For the initial message, once again you have to type the initial message and then press enter and it will be added. You can add up to 2 initial messages. The next is display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to display it, keep it as enable, otherwise disable, and it will disappear. The next is footer text and footer link. So you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. Footer text will turn into the link if you add the link. If you don't add the link, it will remain as text only. Now we have this user's first message. So you have to enter the message which will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So what you can do is you can go on this WhatsApp and you're going to see that this was the message which was sent initially, which I have entered in my ad manager. Like what is going to happen is whenever any lead is going to click on this WhatsApp button, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this is the message which is preset. So they will send me this message. So I'm going to keep this same message as the user's first message. Now after doing this, let's move on further towards the styling. You can style your WhatsApp chatbot here. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, the colors, the images. It totally depends upon you how you wish this AI chatbot to look like. After doing all of this, just simply switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant, and your AI assistant will be saved. After saving this, we have created this AI assistant, but now how can we use it? So you have to go towards this embedded, and you can first of all add this script on your website. So this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Like apart from this WhatsApp CTA ads, how you can use this AI assistant, I'm telling you that. Alright, first of all you can add it on your website by copying the script. Otherwise you can go towards this inbox section and assign these to particular contacts. I'll show you how. So let's open this inbox in a new tab, and after opening the inbox, let's say you want to assign this AI assistant to this chat. So you can go towards this choose AI assistant and assign it from here, and then whenever any message is going to come from this chat, this AI chatbot is going to reply. Further, if you wish to assign this AI assistant to many contacts at once, go towards this settings, inbox settings, and you're going to see the option of enable AI auto replies. So you can assign this, you can add the rule over here and assign this to a particular contact list like this, and then whenever someone from this contact list is going to message, automatically this AI assistant is going to reply. So yes, you're going to see with this we have successfully created this AI chatbot and learn how this is going to work for a business. Now what you have to do is you have to open your ads manager, create an ad, add this connect with us WhatsApp button, because I bet you're going to get many leads using this amazing feature, because they will be directly redirected towards your WhatsApp. And like I showed you in the starting of this video, further this AI chatbot is going to take care of that lead and solve all their queries. And yes, with this we have successfully completed this AI chatbot. Now I'll suggest you go and try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business, and go and try and create this WhatsApp CTA ads for your own business too. Because first of all, right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly drop your comment on this video and my team is going to solve all your queries. So see you in the next video with many more automation tips everyone. Thank you for watching.